I'll be turning this small piece of ficus today. My goal is to create a small vase. We'll see how it works out. I guess I'll just get to it. I'm applying a pure walnut oil to the piece to seal the wood. Once the oil dries, I will be rubbing it out with a fine grit polishing compound. We'll see how that works out. Well, I've made it to the end without any mishaps, and I'm happy with the outcome. The small vase has a lot of character, and it was a nice piece of wood to turn. If you made it this far, I appreciate all the support. And as always, thanks for watching.